Hey guys, Tommy Do Everything 426 here. Today I'm going to show you how to clear the clear filter light on your Vax Blade 5. Now guys, you want to hold the plus button and carpet button, so these two, you want to hold them down until on this screen it shows a green tick. Alright, are we ready? Okay, completed. Well guys, that's another shot from Tommy Do Everything 46. Alright, just have to have a little check. Yep, it's all gone. No warning.